Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable ANC for your earbuds Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi. So basically we can enable it by the application or by a gesture. And let's get started with an application, open it, and right here we have ambient control, click on it, and right here at the left side we have ANC. Click on it also, and we just enable it. But as I said previous, we can use a gesture, and by default you need to press 2 times at your left earbud. The touch area is located right here at the top. 1, 2. And we enable transparency mode. 1, 2. And we enable ANC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!